Your mindset matters. It alters the way that you see the world and perceive the world. Your mindset is important. We can get so fixed in the way that we think and the way that we understand the world can greatly impact the way that we make decisions in our lives. So how do we obtain a healthy mindset? And what will it give us? Well, first of all, it will give you the feeling that I can take another step in my life. It will give you the clarity and direction and the wherewithal and the embodied feelings of I can take the next step. I'm able to, I'm competent. I have the intelligence or the education or the information that I need in order to take the next step in my life, in whichever direction that may go. Mindset is also like a decision making. It's like the moment you decide that I want to go for that job, or I want to explore this new way of relating, or I want to gain back my confidence. Mindset is almost like saying yes to yourself. It's like saying, okay, I commit. I will prioritize this. And you make an internal decision to say, I've set my mind to a course. And things will try to knock you off course. But when you have a mindset, it's saying, I will face whatever challenges come and I'll continue to go for what it is that I either want or I want to experience or I want to become. Mindset is so essential to helping you get from A to B, because this very thing will help you set the course of action, but it can also be the very thing that can throw you off course. So you need to have one very, very clear, solid place of focus of where you want to go. That's your mindset, the intention. And that really will help you orientate to that direction, but it also will help you to get to, visualize and also write about how am I going to get there? Or at least, at the very least, what are the next steps I need to take in order to move in that direction? Mindset. It's like affirming a decision that you have made and said yes to. I'm going for it. I'm going to go to the gym for the next 21 days or until the end of the year. But I'm very clear, I'm focused. So what do you want to set your mind on? What is so important to you that you want to get there, and you know that you want to get there, and you know how easily you can get distracted, or how easily this overthinking mind can pull you away or make you feel small, that you know that the one way through will help you is to set your mind to it. What would it be? And are you ready to do it? Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please drop us a like or comment or share, and hope to see you at the next one.